Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a behind-the-scenes look at the 2026 Winter Olympics in Milano Cortina. Broadcast networks are using cutting-edge artificial intelligence and drone technology to completely transform how millions of people will experience the games. From immersive replays to real-time interactive tools, the broadcast you'll watch in 2026 looks nothing like what we saw even in Paris 2024. Let's get into it. For decades, Olympic broadcasts have pushed the envelope of innovation. But in 2026, AI isn't just a tool, it's the backbone of how the games are produced and presented. The Olympic Broadcasting Services, the organization responsible for the international feed, is integrating AI across virtually every part of the broadcast chain. From automated tagging of footage to producing personalized highlights and answer-driven search tools, AI is turning raw camera feeds into viewer-ready stories faster and more efficiently than ever. And it's not limited to just highlights. Broadcasters are generating real-time insights and interactive graphics that bring key moments to life for viewers at home. One of the most exciting advancements is AI-powered replays, and they're unlike anything you've seen before. Using advanced machine learning algorithms and cloud-based processing, broadcasters can now create 360-degree replay sequences and stroboscopic freeze frames in seconds. What does that mean? Imagine watching a ski jumper fly through the air, and the broadcast instantly generates a fully reconstructed multi-angle view you can see from every direction, all in live time. These systems combine footage from multiple cameras, extract the athlete from the background, and reconstruct a three-dimensional view that can be slowed down, rotated, and analyzed, enhancing both understanding and excitement. For fans, this adds context and insights, like jump height, air time, landing speed, and biomechanical analysis superimposed right on the replay. And thanks to cloud infrastructure, broadcasters can then repurpose these replays instantly for social media, virtual reality snippets, or interactive apps. Now let's talk drones, but not just any drones. For the first time at a Winter Games first-person view, or FPV, drones will fly right alongside athletes in high-speed events like luge, bobsleigh, and ski courses. These aren't your typical aerial cameras hovering above. FPV drones are agile, close-range, high-speed craft that can follow competitors through twists, turns, and downhill runs, offering viewers angles that make them feel like they're on the course themselves. Operators and AI navigation systems work together to keep these drones safely tracking at competitive speeds, giving broadcasters the ability to cut to shots that were previously impossible. The result? Immersive POV coverage that elevates the emotional and visceral experience of watching fast-paced winter sports. AI isn't just helping produce visuals, it's enhancing viewer engagement across platforms. Broadcasters like NBC Universal are using AI-driven tools, such as their upgraded Olympic Guide OLI, to help viewers navigate thousands of hours of coverage with natural language search, personalized highlights, medal counts, and event reminders. And official Olympic platforms will integrate AI assistants that deliver real-time results, answers to rules, questions, and verified event information in multiple languages, all without relying on random internet sources. These AI systems make content more accessible, give fans more control over what they watch, and help broadcasters distribute tailored stories more efficiently than ever. So what does all this mean for fans tuning in this February? For starters, you'll see more replay angles, better context, and more dynamic highlights than at any previous Winter Games. You'll get instant insights into performance data, you'll enjoy immersive angles from FPV drones that make you feel like you're out on the course, and you'll have AI-powered guides and assistants to help you find exactly the content you want, whether you're watching on TV, mobile, or social platforms. This is not just incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift in sports broadcast technology. What are you most excited to see? The AI replays, the drone footage, or the new ways you'll interact with the games online? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this look into the future of broadcast tech, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching, and see the 2026 Winter Olympics like never before.